Error 0x80070306 translates to, the file or directory is corrupted and unreadable. During installation, Windows Update tries to read system files and update packages. If any required data is corrupted or inaccessible, the update fails. Here are the solutions for this error.
First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. In command prompt, select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Press Enter. Wait for your PC to be repaired. Type Exit and then press Enter. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. In command prompt, select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type sfc/scano. Press Enter. Wait for Windows to be repaired. Type Exit and then press Enter. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click command prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type netstop woo-serve. Type netstop crypt svc. Type netstop msi server. Type renc/windows/SoftwareDistribution, SoftwareDistribution old. Type renc/windows/system32/catroot2, catroot2.old. Type netstart woo-serve. Type netstart crypt svc. Type netstart bits. Type netstart msi server. Type Exit and then press Enter. Restart your PC to apply the changes. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Troubleshoot. Open Other Troubleshooters. Locate Windows Update. Press Run. Click on I can't download, install or uninstall an update. Select Yes to diagnose your issues. Wait for your PC to be scanned. Press Yes if it resolved your issues. Now update your PC.